Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl from Wyoming, Blessed with Tish. And if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when a video is uploaded or I go live. So today, y'all, we went to a little food truck that comes through that I've done before called Wingstop. But y'all, it is hot, hot, hot. I don't know if y'all can tell, it is hot. It's so hot. And if y'all can't tell, I got a little sun yesterday. A little extra rosy over here. So when it's super, super hot, I don't like to eat a whole lot. So I knew they were in town and was like, they kind of play theirs off of like Buffalo Wild Wings. Wild Will. Where did I even get that? Anyways, so these are mango habanero wings, and there's 4 of them. And then we have fries with blue cheese. Y'all know what ranch we got. Wild Coyote. We have the crisp apple to drink. And y'all, it is Ghost Story Wednesday. And I have a story that actually just happened like 2 days ago. So, let's start. What's this? I love blue cheese. I got mango habanero, but I got extra spicy. So, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, a little bit got on my finger before the video and I licked it off and it's hot. Remember that we're gonna do a giveaway, so here's the deal. We are gonna do another giveaway in between the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. And that winner is gonna get, if I can ship it, y'all, some Wild Coyote Ranch in a case of the sparkling ice crisp apple, which if y'all didn't know, I sent a case of those to Navy Wife 81 Lori for 1,000 subscriber. She was our 1,000 subscriber giveaway winner. Y'all, she got her stuff and it was broke. Part of it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna send you something else. And it just dawned on me, I'm like, we're doing some crisp apple. So, that's what we're gonna do. Y'all know we do giveaways around here. So, that's what we're gonna do. And she sent me a message. She's like, those are delicious. Yes, they are. Oh no. I just got a fork too. Because we didn't get back into town until late last night from picking up Coda. We were fishing yesterday. We had so much fun. Over in the Wind Rivers. If y'all go watch my best friend Heather's channel over at Wyoming Hooked, she actually has a video that shows the Wind Rivers in Wyoming. So y'all can see it, but the fish over there are huge, y'all. Trout. And for trout, that's big. Oh, I know these bad boys are gonna be hot. Look, y'all. Look at that. I know they are. Y'all know I like the woohoo. Ooh. I don't like on the spice now. When you ask for extra spicy. And I did that because last time I got them, y'all remember? It wasn't spicy. So I was like, I'll get them extra spicy. I like my wings to have a kick. I wanted to try that little, have y'all seen it? It's on TikTok. They show you how to do the flats and push it down. This is a big flat though. I don't do the gristle, y'all. Can't do it. Husband can, I can't. It just doesn't happen. But we had a blast. When I say late, I mean late. Like 11 at night. And I had to get up and go to work this morning. Oh well. We had fun. And that's what matters. So, go story time. So, like I said, go story time. So we went to this little town over by where we were at called Jibo. It's an old ghost town now, but it's where my great-grandfather was born and lived for many years. It's a pretty big town, y'all. So my aunt wanted to show it to me. I'm like, okay. I love learning about family history. So we go over there. And there's really, honestly, not hardly anything left of this town, which is weird. Because it was a big town. A coal mining town, to be exact. I'm like, holy crap, there's like nothing left of this town. She goes, weird, huh? I'm like, yeah. So there's a couple buildings and the cemetery. We have some family buried in the cemetery. So we go over to the cemetery to, you know, pay our respects. Not to just my family, but all of them, you know. It's not a well-kept cemetery because it's kept by volunteers only. And it's out in the middle of nowhere. And you can tell people have been out there like vandalizing stuff, which is horrible. Like, really? It's just like, okay. So, and some of the headstones were so old you couldn't even read them. Because they're from 1800s to early 1900s. So, just gonna try and do the little apron thing. Look. Oh, kinda. So we go over there. We're visiting, you know. Reading what we can read. And paying our respects. Get ready to go. you know, to the other part, to the actual town, and look at the couple buildings that are left and where the old coal mine was and all that. But my car sits too low and the road isn't very good. So man's like, we're gonna drive over to this little turnaround. We're gonna park there and we're all gonna get in the truck. And the boys were riding in the back of the truck up the hill. We do that in Wyoming, you know. I'm like, okay. So I get my car, I start it, we start driving. Yo, all of a sudden, on my driver's side, I have a newer car. So the whole driver's, like, where it shows your speed and everything is electronic. Yeah. It just starts going haywire. And I'm like, like, do you see this? And when I asked my aunt if she's seen it, it stopped. And then we're driving a little more. Pretty soon it starts again. I'm like, look at this, look at this. So she comes, or leans over, you know, and she's like, oh my God, what is it doing? I'm like, I have no clue. It's never done this before. It's like flickering in and out. And just, you know, when electronics go crazy, well, that's what it was doing. I've had this car for well over a year. It's never done anything like this. And it's the 2017. Like, it still has warranty on it. It should not be doing that. And I'm like, okay, what in the world? I don't know who it was, what it was, but after that we went to look at these buildings and I just had this very, like, uneasy feeling. Very uneasy. And I'm like, and then the next day I was sitting there and I was talking to my aunt and I was like, don't you think it's weird that, like, after we left the cemetery, my car did that? And she was like, you know what I was thinking? And she's like, I think somebody or something was doing that. Because as soon as I parked my car, shut it off, got in the truck, we went up the hill, went back to the car, never did it again. Drove it all the way home, which is, what, 4 hours we were in there? Never did it. Not one time, y'all. I'm like, okay. I'm like, okay. Well, I don't know who, what, where, or why. You know, if it was their way of saying hi or saying they didn't want us there. Or what. Didn't happen again after that. Ooh. These bad boys are hot. So I was like, I gotta tell them about that. What do y'all think? Weird, isn't it? Ironic. I would say coincidental, but why didn't it happen again after that? You know? Like, if it's something with your computer system, it's gonna happen again after that. Nothing. hear my pooch back there shaking. He got to go on vacation too, and he thoroughly enjoyed it. He did not want to come back. My aunt has a dog as well, so she was like, no, I want to stay with him. But y'all, it was crazy. It was cool though to see a little bit of history. Like I told you, Wyoming has a lot of like history like that. Y'all, I just noticed the mic is not on at all. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry if the audio isn't that great. Anyways, thank you all for joining me. We're gonna go now, being that the mic's not on. I'll see y'all again on Friday. And I hope you all have a fantastic week. Bye, y'all. Stay warm and stay blessed. Bye, y'all.